this after work, kind of in a hurry, so bear with us and laugh along.
So get ready for the show tomorrow.
Go ahead.
Go.
And now we should be done with the old one. Now Dusty has to crawl up inside his Jeep and get his new one out.
I'll bring the Jeep to it.
And there it is. So this is our unboxing video right now. Johnny's moving faster than I'm moving the camera. Minus wiring, yeah. Wiring's already installed. We'll go over that later. Oh, I gotta cut that out. We can't be showing pocket knives.
Yeah, we're not.
I don't know. Catfish and Carp does it a lot. He still gets paid. I think.
Probably comments on the amount of Loctite I use.
Only if we get views. We gotta get views first.
Yeah.
It might be a year before anybody starts making fun of how much Loctite you used or didn't use.
Let's do this.
I mean, Johnny was just making sure that YouTube would see it. I mean, we would never use a pocket knife around here. Couldn't tell. Well, Dusty, what are you getting ready to do? Irreversible damage?
What else? You go over and hold the trigger down. It should stop. Put it on there straight and hold the trigger down. It should stop. Go around. Go back and forth. Go back and forth.
You can let it hammer.
Hold it down. There you go. Go around like that. Go back and forth. Kind of like star.
Crisscross.
Crisscross. Applesauce. I said a star. Make fun of me.
Well, you're gonna laugh at me because I want to take the brake caliper and move it back off and sit that come down all the way. Since you said that, I feel real bad.
Since I said what?
Since you said that sometimes you gotta cut the axles off shorter.
Oh. You get them all?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go around on the traction.
Is he gonna do it?
Keep it up, your fender's gonna look like my fender.
Scratches happen. I think you need one more locker.
Trying to get it not to go.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. Yeah, it just clack, clack, clack. There you go.
I was rubbing on the other side.
I'm afraid he might have the Bronco beat now.
You pretty much have the
The only saving grace I have is body damage fears. Locked? Oh.
Okay, good, not going.
You gotta speak up.
It is.
It works.
It works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And here are some pictures of how well the locker worked. So yeah, stay tuned. More on this.